Today we will continue our science lesson about magnetism. What is the definition of magnetism? Magnetism is the ability of magnet to attract magnetic objects. So let's start to study the history of magnet. احنا قسمناهم لمجموعة من الأسئلة علشان نسهلها على نفسنا. Number one, who discovered magnet? We said that ancient Greek. القدماء اليونان اسمهم ancient Greek. Type. When؟ يعني امتى؟ Before 2000 years. Where in Magnesia. بلد اسمها Magnesia. What is the kind of the magnet which they discovered? Black rocks, صخور سوداء. And they named it by magnetite. And we said that there are two types of magnet: natural magnet and artificial magnet. Natural magnet يعني مغناطيس طبيعي اللي ربنا خلقه. Artificial magnet which made by man. Natural magnet which made by iron ores. Iron ores which is known as magnetite, black rocks, but artificial magnet made by man, and it has more than one shape. يعني عنده أكتر من شكل. It has 4 shapes. 4 أشكال. Ring magnet, U-shape magnet, needle magnet, and bar magnet. And we can classify materials according to ability to attract magnet into 2 types: magnetic materials and non-magnetic material. Examples about magnetic materials: iron, steel, cobalt, nickel. Iron, steel, cobalt, nickel. And examples about non-magnetic material: wood, paper, chalk, glass, plastic, aluminium, and carton. And now let's study the properties of magnet. خصائص المغناطيس. هو المغناطيس ليه خصائص؟ أيوة طبعا. Any material has properties. So magnet has properties. What is the properties of magnet? إيه هي خصائص ومميزات المغناطيس؟ Properties of magnet. خصائص المغناطيس. Number 1, it has 2 poles. It has 2 poles. يعني المغناطيس ده له قطبين. It has 2 poles. S pole and N pole. واحنا قلنا قبل كده ان ال S pole يعني south. N pole north. طب ادي اول حاجة. The first property of magnet is it has 2 poles. له قطبين. Second property of magnet that it has fixed direction. يعني المغناطيس له اتجاه محدد ما بيغيروش. It has fixed direction. ايه هو ال fixed direction of magnet? South, north. So we can say that magnet always searching for the south direction of earth and the north direction of earth. Or we can say that magnet always refer to or point to. يعني بيشير لإيه؟ دائما وأبدا المغناطيس يشير لأنهي اتجاه؟ South direction of earth and the north direction of earth. Number 3. كمان عندي it has magnetic field. Magnet has magnetic field. مجال مغناطيسي. يعني ايه يا مستر؟ مش فاهمه. It has magnetic field. What is the location of magnetic field? فين مكان المagnetic field ده من المغناطيس؟ احنا لو عندنا بار ماجنت زي اللي قدامنا ده كده S N هنلاقي in space around the magnet. Space around the magnet. Which magnetic force appear. Which the magnetic force appear. حيث القوة المغناطيسية بتظهر. اسمها ايه؟ اسمها magnetic field. المجال المغناطيسي. بمعنى ايه؟ If we put an iron nail in this space outside magnetic field of magnet and put iron nail inside magnetic field of magnet, which of them attracts to magnet? Excellent. The iron nail which inside magnetic field is attract to magnet. اللي موجود داخل المجال المغناطيسي هو اللي هينجذب للمغناطيس. But iron nail which outside magnetic field doesn't attract to magnet. اللي موجود بره حدود المجال المغناطيسي لن يستطيع الانجذاب ناحية المغناطيس ولا يستطيع المغناطيس ان هو يجذبه ناحية. طيب كده 3. Number 4, if you put magnet in front of another magnet. يعني لو انت حطيت مغناطيس قدام مغناطيس تاني. If you put magnet in front of another magnet. If you put S pole in front of S pole to another magnet. What do you observe? هتلاحظ ايه؟ There are 2 poles but they are like each other. يشبهوا بعض. So like poles repel each other. يعني ايه؟ يعني المتشابهين بيبعدوا عن بعض. يتنافروا، يتباعدوا. repel يعني يتباعدوا ويتنافروا. مفروض. But dislike pool attract each other. If you put magnet in front of another magnet and you put in pool in front of S pool, what do you observe? They are attracted each other. سيجذب كل منهما الآخر. الخلاصة like pools repel each other but dislike pools attract each other. This is the properties of magnet. Is it easy or not? Yes, it's easy. كده نكون انتهينا. ارجو تسمع المقطع مره واثنين وثلاثه. اذا كان في حاجه مش واضحه قدامك ما تستناش واسالني فورا، ان شاء الله اجاوبك على طول، سواء تسالني هنا تحت الفيديو او تسالني على الجروب اللي هتلاقيه برضو موجود مع الديسكريبشن او الوصف بتاع الفيديو. كان معكم مستر محمد الصادق.